So what do you do on a rainy day? Yeah, and it's definitely raining. So probably the perfect time to show you the new exhaust on my bike, the newest bike. 2022 Street Glide Special ST is the new model that came this year. It's got the 117 blacked out. Supposed to be lighter, about 100 pounds compared to the Street Glide Special. Has some nice features, suspension, some nice accent wheels, and revised dash. Some of the features are the same as the older ones, but overall it has some nice touches. Anyways, the exhaust that we went for is the S&S Sidewinder. It's a 2-into-1. It's a little pricey, but I guess the quality is there. The install was not too bad. It didn't take that long to do it. Of course, not allowed in the state of California. And it gives you the option of installing a baffle silencer. We didn't do that to get the better sound out of it. But you know, let me start it for you so you can see the difference if you know what they sound like from the factory. And as you see, the bike, let's see, it has only 13 miles, so it is a brand new bike. It definitely sounds better than the factory one. You might as well have an electric bike with the factory Harley, which right there, pile of junk right now. And one of the good things about it eliminates the catalytic converter, which makes your engine run hot, especially in the summertime. So anything, anything helps. But if you have any questions, any comments about the install, what better side to buy the exhaust from, or anything, just let me know. Put a comment, I'll respond. And I guess I'm back to the rain. See you guys.